Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I have a unboxing and reveal video. I have one Hermes item, two Gucci, and one Louis Vuitton. Now, two of them are actual unboxings, but I did unbox them, but I haven't looked at them because that would just take too much time to unbox them on camera, and it would just take a lot of time. And the last item is a huge item, so I wanted to go ahead and get that out of the way. So I'll go ahead and get started. First, I have this Hermes item. I've wanted this for a while, and what I purchased is the Calvi card case. This is in Epsom leather, and it's the color indigo. And there's a snap closure, and you have your two sides here for the cards. And if you can see, it says Hermes, Paris, made in France. It's really lightweight. It feels like a feather. It's really simplistic, and I really like that about it. So yeah, I'm going to use this tonight actually. And I'll do a review on this because I'm not really sure how many cards can fit comfortably or how many should be put in, but I will kind of play around with it and I will do a review. So that's the first reveal, the Calvi card case. And then the second is from Louis Vuitton, and here is my receipt. My mom signed for this because it came like on Thursday of last week. So here's the box, off a little drawer. Then we have the dust bag, and I have another card case, and I've wanted this for a while, and this is the Carte de Visite. And I love this too because it has a snap closure. So there is a pocket there, there's a pocket right here, a larger compartment there, and then you have a compartment right here. So yeah, really cool piece, and I might have it hot stamped, I'm not sure. But I love that because it can close with the snap closure. So that is the Carte de Visite. And if you're a lady and you want to check this out, go on the men's section of the LB website because it's not in the women's. I checked. It's only in the men's, but it's a really cool piece if you're interested. Okay. Then the third item is a Gucci item. Now I reveal this on my Instagram. If we follow each other, you will have seen this, but I have not used this yet. So we have the box. Here's the dust bag, Gucci. Take that out. And I have another small wallet. And this is the Rainbow Soft GG Supreme card case, but it's more than a card case because it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 compartments for cards or receipts. Then there is a zip compartment for your coins, and then there is a section for bills. And you don't have to fold your bills with this one, so this is really cute. I really like it. And I ordered this first in anticipation of the final item that I have. So yeah, and I love this because it's also a snap closure. And that is the third reveal. And this is my piece I'm most excited about. So I have the receipt, which is from Gucci. And they also sent a shopping bag. My mom signed for this. She's so cool because I work out of town during the week and I'm not home. So, okay. Here is the box. Beautiful box. I took the ribbon off already to save time. So I had not seen this. I'm so excited. So let's open it. There's the tissue. Put this down. a true unboxing because I have not seen this piece yet until now. A lot of tissue paper. And here is the dust bag. It says Gucci. Let's open this up. Let's see. It's like a little knot. To pull that out, yeah. Okay. And there's another knot. So I can get this open. There we go. So that proves I have not opened this or seen it. And, oh wow. This is what I ordered. This is the Gucci GG Supreme shoulder bag. It's really cool. It's a camera style bag. So let's see if we can get this off. All these. There we go. So this is the bag. It is so cool. I love this bag. Yeah. And this is on the men's section and the women's section of the Gucci website. So anybody can rock this bag. But it's the perfect size, I think. Let's take out the stuffing. One more piece. Alright, and there is a zip compartment there. There is 2 compartments there for your essentials, and a huge space there. So I really love this bag, and I will do a review on this in the future. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're into luxury, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. All right, take care.